Welcome to EscrowSEO.com. Have you been contacted about SEO services? Chances are, if you own a domain, you've been contacted by some company offering SEO services. You need SEO, but you don't know who to trust. Welcome to Escrow SEO. We've solved this problem. The spam people saying they can help you rank on Google every day. We're a team of SEO experts, an award-winning agency that knows how to rank websites. We know exactly how to get it done. We verify SEO work is being done, and then we release the funds to the SEO company. This is a win-win for both companies. No work from the SEO company, we don't pay. You get your money back. Any SEO company that doesn't want to go this route, they must be trying to scam you. Like, trying to get money up front. You don't even pay your employees in America up front because you know they wouldn't show up. You pay them every Friday. This is the same thing. And SEO companies, you should love Escrow SEO because finally we will stay on top of the business owner for payments and explain the SEO process and how long it takes. I mean, this is a win-win for everyone. Any SEO company that doesn't want to go through Escrow SEO must be a scam because even in America, your cable bill, they bill it 1 month ahead. That's all it is. We're gonna bill 1 month ahead. So sign up today, escrowseo.com, and let's work and let's get your SEO going. And this is a perfect way to do it. That finally you don't have to worry about, oh, is this company scamming me in the Philippines or India or whatever. They should be happy to work with us. Even United States business SEO companies, hey, if you're willing to do a big contract for SEO, they should be happy to go through Escrow SEO and release the funds as we show you progress reports each month that they're actually helping you. If they can't turn in a progress report or they're doing black hat SEO or bad backlinks, sorry, not going to happen. We check all of that. But as long as they're making a strive to help your business gain on Google, and we know exactly what it takes from citations, meta tags, backlinks, all that stuff, if they're helping, they'll get the funds each month. If not, you'll get your money back. EscrowSEO.com. Sign up today.